Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. I am now in Kuchalama at Yi Exhaust, as you can see here, and I'm getting some exhaust work done on my Audi A6 Hybrid. There is the car, and I'm getting a Valvetronic system installed just to make it louder than your girlfriend last night. So let's see what happens. So the first step here, as you can see, they have removed the center muffler box because the Audi A6 comes with the cat in front, which I removed, one here, and there's a box over here which is right about there, and there's two more in the back there. So what we're doing is we're going to remove that, we're going to remove that, and we're going to remove that piece here. This piece ends up being a straight pipe, and the back piece ends up getting a Valvetronic exhaust box, which is somewhere here. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, there we are. Yeah, so this is the Valvetronic system. So what it does is there is a vacuum hose over here which will actually pull, and when it pulls, it opens up the valve to get more exhaust note in, and it's controlled by a remote control, which is, I believe, this is the tip actually, the tip, and there's a control for it. And here I've got my friend's car, number plate's closed, and he's also doing exhaust work on his car. So inilah, racun adalah benar. So this is my new exhaust, one exhaust. It's been made to a straight pipe. Yeah, so remove the muffler box in center. It's now all straight, and next we're gonna go and attack these guys there. I don't know. So ini ya, just kasih buka ini and keep inside . Just without. Yeah, solid. Compared to the earlier one with Mark, solid. Yeah, sounds like a V6. Yeah. Off. Now at this point, me putting a Valvetronic system came in handy when I went to the police, because I turned it off and they could not hear the exhaust. It was fantastic, but I wasn't happy with the exhaust. I wanted something else because it was just too sharp in the high notes. So went back, we cut the exhaust, as you can see here. This is the final output.